This video is meant to provide the basics of using FieldClock. We'll cover everything from creating a piecework job, clocking employees into that job, scanning pieces or production for employees, clocking employees back out of the job, then finalizing the job. And finally, creating a payroll batch to export the payouts from that job so you can import it into your payroll software such as Famous, Farmer's Office, or Delp, among many others. Let's get started. First, we need to create a piecework job. Tap Jobs from the main menu. Then tap the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner. We'll first select a ranch, then a block, then we'll choose picking as our task, then a variety, and change the pay type to piecework. For piece type number 1, we'll pick bin and set the piece pay to $25. Tap Done to finish creating the job. Now that that's complete, we can move on to clocking an employee in. First, tap the Employees tab at the bottom of the screen. Then, simply scan the employee's badge to clock them in. Logging pieces for our employee is also simple. First, tap the Tickets tab at the bottom of the screen, then scan their badge just like you did to clock them in. For our specific job configuration, this will log a single piece for our employee. For each new piece, simply scan their badge again to record it. Once the job is complete and you're ready to clock employees out, simply tap the Employees tab at the bottom of the screen. Then scan their badge once again. A review screen will appear showing the employees' clock in and out times, their total as well as hourly production, and a list of their log production. If all looks correct, simply tap Clock Out to finish clocking them out. Then, tap Done to move on to the next employee. To finalize our job, we'll need to head over to the admin site. We're going to use the browser Google Chrome, as FieldClock runs best there. First, click Jobs from the main menu. Then, select the job you wish to finalize by clicking it. Click the Payouts tab, then Review Job for finalization. Here is where you'll review the job for any errors that may have been made. If all looks okay, click the Finalize button. If corrections need to be made to a finalized job, it may be unfinalized as long as it hasn't been added to a payroll batch. Simply click the Unfinalized button from the Job Details page, make your edits, then finalize the job once again. We can now move on to the last step, creating a payroll batch that includes our recently finalized job. A payroll batch is a collection of job data from a range of specified dates. Creating a payroll batch will pull all finalized jobs, including all worker data for those jobs, and bundle them up in a batch or file that you can then import into your payroll software. To start, first click Payroll from the main menu. Then, click the Create New Batch button. From this screen, select the dates or pay period you'd like to create a payroll batch for. The payroll subtotal will show the sum of all the payouts included in the batch. Before proceeding, it's important to note that all jobs included in a payroll batch may not be unfinalized afterwards. All corrections and/or changes to a job must be done prior to it being included in a payroll batch, as it may not be done afterwards. If you'd like to proceed, click the Generate Payroll Batch button. Your newly created batch will now appear at the top of your payroll batch list, where we provided 4 options to view and download it: a payroll-specific file, a printer-friendly details view, a printer-friendly by rate view, and a simple CSV download. Congratulations! Although you're now familiar with all the basics of using FieldClock, we have many more things to offer, such as reports. Simply click Reports from the main menu, where you'll find a number of useful ways to view all the data you've acquired in FieldClock, a couple of which are labor cost by field and our daily pay report, among many more. Thank you for watching.